Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm back with another haul for you. So today I'm going to be doing a Rebellious fashion haul. Please like, comment, subscribe, whatever, you know the vibes. If you want more hauls, comment down below what hauls you want. So yeah, let's go. So before I start this, just for reference, I am usually a UK size 8 in like literally everything. So top and bottom, dress, jeans, whatever, you know. But jeans is a tricky one. Sometimes I'm a size 8, sometimes size 6, sometimes size 10. Depends on where you buy it from and the fabric, if it's like proper jeansy or if it's like stretchy. I don't really get jeans that are like not stretchy because they actually never fit. Right, so the first outfit I'm gonna try on is this black corset top. I'm also gonna try that on with these black PU pants. I know this outfit is gonna be cute or whatever, you know, I got high hopes for you. So I bought those both in a size 8, as I'm usually a UK size 8. So right guys, this is the first outfit. This is absolutely cute. I'm in love because I've been seeing these tops everywhere. Like, I think I've seen it on Opoly, and I know on Opoly it would have been some next price. But I got this off Rebellious Fashion and it literally looks just like it. So girls, think smart. Just don't go buy it at the most expensive place, because this literally looks like the Opoly one and the quality feels good. So basically these straps are adjustable. So you can adjust them if you want this higher, if you want it lower, but I think this is just perfect. The only thing I don't like about these pants is the fact that, I don't know, it fits me properly, but it doesn't fit me properly at the back really. It's like, kind of like falling down. I feel like I just need to wear it once or twice, or wear it for a couple of hours and then it will adjust to like my body. But it's just feeling a bit weird right now and I don't like the noise it's making. I feel like if you're one of the girls that sweat a lot, these trousers would be very irritating, because once you sweat in leather, your whole leg is sticking together, it's hard to walk, all this and that. The one thing I really do like, I do like these pants, but the one thing that I love about these pants is that they're flared at the bottom. Like, I do feel like I should have maybe got this in white, because I'm wearing too much black. I just look like, I don't know if you guys have watched Lucifer, I look like Maze. I'm gonna slap a picture of her here. She just dresses like this all the time for no reason, with boots on, all this stuff. But yeah, this outfit is pretty cute. I'm in love with it, you know, whatever. It's cute or whatever. This is the top at a closer look. This top is actually real cute. It's just simple, like, I just love simple things. But yeah, it's got this, I think you can make it wider, I don't know. Okay, you can't, it's just there for show. But yeah, this is cute or whatever. I'm gonna rate this outfit 9 out of 10 because it's good, it's nice, it's cute, it's good quality. Just the one thing I don't like is how the trousers is fitting and it's too many dark colours, but that's my fault. The dark colours is my fault because I picked both black. But the next outfit I'm going to try after that is this pink bodycon ribbed dress. I've been seeing this little butterfly everywhere on Instagram. I literally call this the Instagram dress. This is cute or whatever. I like this. So yeah, I bought this in a size 6 because I know it's going to be stretchy. And like, whenever I get stretchy clothes, I just like to go a size down so it's fitted, so it's sucked. So you see when I said this was stretchy? It's not that stretchy. But we got it on. We got it on still. This dress is just cute. Like, I literally absolutely love ribbed. I love ribbed clothes. So if you don't know what ribbed is, these are ribs. See when it has like little lines in it. I absolutely love it. I'm addicted to ribs. But yeah, this outfit's very cute. Like, it's just simple. Like, you could just wear this on a nice day out where it's sunny, you know, because it's sunny right now in England. Shock. You could wear this with your little Air Forces. Like, it's cute or whatever. I don't think it's see-through, But you know when you wear like light fabrics and then you wear like white underwear, you can usually see it. I feel like this would be one of the clothes where you could see it, but obviously just don't wear white underwear. So I'm rating this outfit a 10 out of 10 because where can you actually go wrong? It's just a nice little dress, simple as that. The next outfit I'm gonna try on is just something light and casual. So this is just like a oversized t-shirt, and this is just like shorts. They're not really cycling shorts, they kind of feel like tracksuit bottom shorts, but yeah, they're not cycling shorts because I wanted to change it up a little bit, but I think I do like cycling shorts better. So I bought these both in a size 8 because, you know, we want it to fit. I wasn't trying to risk it for a chocolate biscuit. The quality is just not it. So I was going for the casual look, and yes, this is how high I've put the shorts, because when they was down there, they wasn't looking good at all. And I was like, I'm not coming to embarrass myself on YouTube today. Hell no. So this top, I thought this top was quite cute. I don't even know what it says, wait. So I thought this top was quite cute for a casual little look. I would wear this outfit with a little cute like mini handbag, you know, them little handbags. Well, I don't know, I'm not really rating this outfit, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not really rating it like. But anyways, I bought these both in a size 8 as I said before, and they fit nicely. These are so comfortable, they're so soft. I feel like when I wash them, they'll still be the same like fabric instead of it. You know when you wash some stuff and it starts like wearing off? I don't feel like these shorts are going to be like that, but yeah. This top would be cute, but just not with these shorts because it's not doing it for me. So I'm going to rate this outfit together a 6 out of 10 because, you know, it's not really banging, but this with like jeans with rips, baby girl, you getting it late. The next outfit I'm going to try on is this denim cord. This better be cute because with denim, it's a bargain. You never know if denim's gonna be cute or whatever, or if it's not gonna be cute. So we'll see when we try it on. I bought this in a size 8 because I know this denim is not stretching for nothing. So I bought this in my actual size. So this is supposed to be petite, and I did get a size 6. And this ain't stretchy. Well, it's kind of stretchy actually. It does stretch like, but it's not stretchy enough to be like a size bigger or whatever. So the blood circulation in my legs are being cut off, but pretty hurts a lot. This outfit is bad. I can't keep these straps down. I should go iron it, but this outfit is actually saucy. Like, at first I was thinking, maybe too much denim, but no. But I do think this outfit is a little bit small, like the hands, like, or I've just got really long hands, but maybe it could do with a little bit of length on the arms, you know, you feel me? But this outfit is quite cute. I didn't think they was gonna be this long. Like, I put them on and I was thinking, this is basically touching under my chest area. But yeah, this fabric feels like really good fabric, like the quality feels good. This feels like you could wash it a million times and it would just still look good. Like, Rebellious fashion, you're doing well. I'm gonna rate it a cheeky little 8 out of 10 because this is actually a very cute outfit. I just made a mistake of getting it in a size 6 when I should have got it in a size 8 really. But, you know, we still look cute or whatever. The next outfit I'm gonna try on after that is this skirt. I bought this in a size 6, but now I'm thinking about it. Maybe I should have bought it in a size 8. I'm getting ahead of myself. I think I'm skinny mini. I'm not. And I also just got it with like a plain black top. It has like buttons on the top. It's a bodysuit. I just wanted something plain, you know. I didn't want it to be doing too much. Maybe it's a bit too much black, but whatever. We'll see when I try it on. Right, guys. This outfit is giving me Ruby Rose vibes. Have him singing in his feelings, because this outfit is gonna put him in his feelings, you know? Okay, first of all, when I tell you it was a struggle to do this up, it was a struggle. It took me about 15 minutes just to put on the skirt alone. The thing I love about this skirt is the fact that it fits. Like, the waist is actually fitting, like, it's not even lifting. Whenever I buy skirts or shorts or trousers, whatever, there's always a space at the back, but there's literally no space. Like, Rebellious fashion, you did your thing there, like. I've got high hopes for the jeans I bought now. The one thing I don't like about this top is the fact that it's a bit see-through. I don't know if you can see it from there, but I can see the colour of my bra underneath. So the quality of the top isn't too good. It's quite thin. I feel like if you was to wash this fabric, it would literally mess up in a few washes. This outfit overall, I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. Purely because the top isn't that good quality, but the skirt, this fabric is nice and thick, it's good quality. I love this. Like, this is the best quality skirt I've literally tried on in a very long time. This next outfit is bad. If this doesn't look nice on me, I'm screaming. I'm absolutely screaming. Right, so this is a white lace bodysuit. I bought this in a size 6 because I know it's stretchy, and you know, sometimes you gotta have something tight, you know what I'm saying? I got this with these caramel, would you call this caramel? Camel? I don't know. This camel trousers. So basically, these trousers are split down the bottom, and you know, they're cute or whatever. I gotta try them out. They have like a line going down the leg. I don't know how to describe it, but you'll see. I also bought this in a size 8, I think I did. This, yeah. So with this top, I like the fact that this bit has like an underlining. Most of these like lingerie type tops, they just really don't have that lining underneath, and you know, everything out. These are adjustable straps, so you can make it tighter if you want. You can loosen it if you want. These pants are such a good fabric. They're nice and thick, but not like irritating. I would say these are good quality trousers. They would last. Putting them in and out of the wash, they would last. I don't know what fabric you would call this, but it's just a good fabric. I'm rating this outfit a 10 out of 10 because I'm liking it. I know you're liking it. Let me know in the comments down below what you also think of this outfit. The next outfit I'm gonna try on is this dress. I just wanted something simple, you know. I bought this in a size 6 because I know it's gonna be stretchy. Whenever I go size down, it's gonna be stretchy. This is the prettiest little black asymmetric dress I've ever worn, ever. This dress is so cute. It's just so simple and cute. I just like it. And you know me, I love a bit of ruched. And it's got this little ruched thing here. Yeah, but this is so cute. Who is she, baby girl? Right, so the fabric of this is like silky. I've really forgotten the name of this fabric, but it's really silky. It fits good. It's hugging the body good. Like, this is a proper nice fabric. I reckon put this in the wash a couple times, it's still gonna be the same as when you first bought it, because this fabric is actually beautiful. But I like the way it's hugging my body. I'm giving this a 10 out of 10 because let me know where there's something wrong about this outfit. Nothing. Tell a lie, because there is something wrong with this outfit. It's a bit see-through, but it's not bad. Like, it's only when I'm obviously standing in front of the ring light and like the light is proper shining. But I just say just wear like a bra underneath or something. So this one's the same color as that dress. I just thought this is cute. This isn't really outgoing wear. This is loungewear, but I had to get this because it was looking cute. So this is a cord. It's like a cropped a ribbed crop jumper with like wide leg trousers. If you've been watching my past hauls, you'll see that I'm always wearing ribbed clothes because ribbed, it just bangs. Like, you know, I love the fabric. I got this in a size 8/10, but now I'm thinking of it, maybe I should have got it in a size 6 because this is definitely gonna be stretchy, but let's just hope it fits. Nah, this jumper, I don't know. Did it look like this on the model? Because if it did, I wouldn't have bought it. Anyways, on to the trousers. I do quite like the trousers. It's just like, it's wide-legged. It's quite nice, you know, fabric's good. This fabric is a bit too light though. Like, this would be see-through. I don't even know what to rate this because I'm actually disappointed in this. I look like a flamingo or something. This is not nice. I'm gonna rate this a 3 out of 10 purely because I just like the trousers. Lastly, the last outfit I'm gonna try on is this white crop top with these blue jeans. I bought both of these Now, I bought this in a size 8 because it isn't stretchy. And I bought this in a size 10 because I know for sure this ain't gonna be stretchy. Oh my gosh, like these jeans fit me. Psych. Yet again, it don't fit. I had high hopes, but all right, it's okay because the rest of it fits and it actually fits nicely. Right, so this outfit, I'm loving it and it's cute. So this top is like a corset top again. I like this fabric because it's kind of stretchy. It's like shirt fabric but stretchy at the same time. I love it when tops come like this because they feel like they will last longer again, so the quality is good. These jeans, they feel like proper jeans, so they're not like stretchy, nothing like that. They're proper good quality. The thing is, you know, the waist to thigh ratio is not really adding up. This outfit, apart from the fact that it doesn't fit me, or the trousers doesn't really fit the waist properly, apart from that, everything's all good. So I'm gonna give this outfit a cheeky little 9 out of 10. Anyways guys, that's it from me today. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, you know the vibes. If you want more hauls like this, please comment down below what type of hauls you want, if you want there to be themes in these hauls. I do read through the comments, I do reply. Let me know if you have any suggestions. Thanks for watching. Ruth Rockwell.